Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I got some pork chops that I had washed and marinated yesterday. And I was supposed to cook them yesterday, but then after me and Walter got back home, we had stopped, before we got home, we had stopped at somewhere and got something else to eat. I wasn't going to cook nothing. So here are the chops. Nice and marinated. So I'm going to air fry them in my Foodi extra large grill. I think it's 5 chops in there. Okay, right here. This out of my way. Plug this in. And I'm not going to put breading on them. You know what? How do you want to use this? This is the fry basket. I'm going to cook right in here. I want to put foil in there, so I'm going to have to wash this. Now I'll just put them in here. So they're good and seasoned. Look at that. I'll show you what I used. I'm going to fit them all in here. Some big old, this is a pork steak. Come on now. They're all huge. Well, I can just put 4 in here. Big old pork steaks. This is the kind Walter like, with this curved bone, the center cut. He likes that shape. I like them all. Make good pork chop sandwiches. Okay, so I got one left. Let me clean my hand. Okay, I'm not squirting nothing on it. They're ready to go. So I seasoned them with, of course, my yellow mustard. I'll show y'all. So I'm going to turn this on. You see that? Put it on air crisp. 400. It says 20 minutes, but I think it'll be done faster than that. I don't want them to preheat, so I'm press preheat. It says add food, so you have to raise that. Now it's cooking. Oops. Okay, I'll put this in the fridge and I don't know. Maybe Amber will take it home rather than cook it. She don't really like pork like that. Okay. I'll be back. It's this patch I got on. Everybody keeps saying it looks like a big old mole. Beside the little mole. I'll be back. Okay. Bye. I promised to show y'all what I used on the chops. Okay, I used the yellow mustard. I used this Montreal chicken seasonings. course, I use the jollof rice seasoning. It's good on everything, y'all. I buy this from Amazon. I use the Perfect Pitch rotisserie chicken. These two together are a good combination. And of course I use my pepper. I need to refill this. Okay. Because I'll forget. So I had to come back and tell you. Okay, y'all, the chops are done. I'm sitting in the family room watching TV. So let me go check these chops. The thing bend and beat. I didn't hear it. So they are done. Of course, the top side looks the best. They have been done. Let me see. Nice and juicy. Come on now. Okay. Turn it that way. I'm gonna let them stay in here. Uh-oh. I'm not gonna put them in a platter or nothing. These are the 4 highly seasoned chops. I cooked them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And that's the result. Thumbnail. We had leftover mashed potatoes and leftover mixed vegetables to go with this. Okay. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. The time is 7:29 p.m. on Tuesday. Y'all want to see me make a pork chop sandwich? Pork chop sandwich. Just a minute. Here's the pork chop. Hot sauce on it. It's already going to be spicy. Okay. Pick it up and bite it. I'm just going to pull off some. Spicy. Ooh. Tender. Might be too spicy for water. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. It's good, y'all. I ain't really hungry right now, so I'm gonna put this up. So I went to IHOP earlier, and I still ain't really hungry. So I got this waiting for me for later. It's good. Chop is kind of crispy around the edges. It's good, seasoned. This is good, y'all. Call it a pork chop sandwich. So, bon appetit. I'm going for real now. Bye.